I haven't practiced at all since my last video, but I'm gonna be trying to go on slippery, so let's get up there. Some slanted. Show it should she. Oh shit! Don't talk. I was so scared. He was like right next to me. Right, I have such high bread. Alright, come on, Jack. Oh.
Nice.
Good game. Hey, you shut the fuck up, man.
Now for you, Black.
Is that? You sound like K9. Oh, he's modding! He's modding. That buddy is modding. And he's still he has invis on. He has invis on, bro. Hey, bro, be honest. Are you using Steam World Scale?
What?
Are you using Steam World Scale? World Scale. Are you using World Scale, dude?
What?
Are you using Steam World Scale?
No. I don't even have Steam. Again? Amended.
Oh, you're really lagging, dude.
Yeah, I know. My Wi-Fi's kind of bad. It makes me better on floor.
Oh my god.
I'll get you again. For the second time.
Alright, I'm actually gonna stop practicing now.
That's a nice try.
I'm tired. Like and sub because I haven't played G-Tag in ages. So please consider it. One sec. One sec.
I see someone.
Don't mind him. I report him for toxicity. Hey, bro, you got reported for toxicity. I don't know why I kicked me out again. But, yeah, that's the end. Like and sub.